Top 5 best foods to rebuild muscles fast. I'm about to reveal something that could completely change the way you think about building and maintaining muscle. And the best part is this: you don't need expensive supplements, complicated diets, or a refrigerator full of special foods, because some of the most powerful muscle-supporting foods are probably already sitting in your kitchen. If you've been feeling weaker, losing muscle, struggling to recover after exercise, or simply noticing that your body isn't as strong as it used to be, your daily food choices could be playing a much bigger role than you realize. And here's the shocking part. You can exercise every day, walk every morning, lift weights, and work incredibly hard, but if your body isn't getting enough protein and the nutrients it needs, your muscles may struggle to repair and rebuild properly. Every time you train your muscles, especially during resistance exercise, your muscle fibers experience stress. Your body then needs the right nutrients to repair those fibers and adapt. That's where food comes in. Protein provides amino acids that your body uses to repair and build muscle tissue. And certain foods also provide important nutrients like iron, zinc, vitamin B12, healthy fats, calcium, and other vitamins and minerals that support energy, recovery, and normal muscle function. So today, I'm going to show you 5 simple foods that can help support muscle repair, recovery, and strength. These aren't magic foods. They won't build huge muscles overnight. But when you combine them with enough total calories, regular exercise, good sleep, and enough protein throughout the day, they can become powerful parts of a muscle-building diet. And stay until number 1, because food number 1 isn't just packed with high-quality protein. It also contains a nutrient that has been studied extensively for supporting strength and exercise performance. Number 1, lean beef. Lean beef is one of the most powerful whole foods you can add to a muscle-supporting diet because it provides a combination of high-quality protein and important nutrients that your body needs to maintain and repair muscle tissue. And when you are trying to become stronger, the quality and consistency of your protein intake can make a major difference because your muscles are constantly being broken down and repaired throughout the day, especially when you exercise. And lean beef provides all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own, making it a complete protein source that can help support muscle recovery after training. But protein isn't the only reason lean beef deserves a place on your plate, because beef naturally contains creatine, a compound that your muscles store and use for quick energy during short, intense activities such as weight training, sprinting, or resistance exercises. And creatine is one of the most researched compounds for supporting strength and muscle gains. When combined with regular resistance training, lean beef also provides iron, which is important for producing hemoglobin and transporting oxygen throughout your body. And getting enough iron can help support normal energy levels and physical performance. Another important nutrient found in beef is vitamin B12, which supports normal red blood cell formation and nervous system function, while zinc supports immune function and many processes involved in protein metabolism. And the key is choosing lean cuts rather than relying on heavily processed or fatty meat. You can grill, bake, or cook lean beef with vegetables and a healthy carbohydrate such as potatoes, brown rice, or whole grains to create a balanced meal. You also don't need enormous portions to benefit from it, because your goal should be consistent protein intake across the day, rather than eating an excessive amount at one meal. And remember that lean beef is not a magic muscle-building food by itself. Your muscles still need regular resistance exercise, enough total calories, adequate sleep, hydration, and a balanced diet containing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other protein sources. But when you combine those habits consistently, lean beef can provide your body with high-quality protein, creatine, iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, giving your muscles the nutritional support they need to recover, maintain strength, and build a stronger foundation over time. Number 2, chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the simplest and most reliable foods you can add to your diet when your goal is to rebuild, maintain, or strengthen your muscles. because it provides a high amount of quality protein without requiring a complicated meal or expensive supplement. And protein is essential because your muscles are made from protein, and every time you exercise, especially during resistance training, your muscles experience stress that creates a signal for your body to repair and adapt. And chicken breast provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs from food, making it a complete protein source that can support muscle repair and recovery. Another reason chicken breast is so popular is that skinless chicken breast is relatively low in fat, while still providing plenty of protein, which makes it easier to include in a balanced diet when you're trying to manage your overall calorie intake. A cooked serving can provide a substantial amount of protein, helping you reach your daily protein target without needing to eat a huge amount of food. And this can be especially useful if you are exercising regularly and need protein throughout the day. You can prepare chicken in many different ways, including grilling, baking, roasting, or adding it to salads, rice, vegetables, or whole grain meals. But the way you prepare it matters, because heavily frying chicken or covering it with high sodium sauces can turn an otherwise nutritious food into a much less healthy meal. Instead, use herbs, spices, lemon, garlic, or other flavorful ingredients to keep the meal balanced. And remember that chicken alone cannot build muscle, because muscle growth depends on several factors working together, including progressive resistance training, enough total protein, adequate calories, quality carbohydrates for energy, healthy fats, hydration, and sufficient sleep. The most important thing is consistency, because eating a high-protein meal once will not transform your body overnight, but regularly including quality protein sources like chicken as part of a balanced diet can give your muscles the amino acids they need to recover and maintain themselves. So if you're looking for an affordable, versatile, and protein-rich food that can easily fit into your daily meals, chicken breast is one of the best choices you can make. Number 3. Salmon is one of the best foods you can add to a muscle-supporting diet because it gives your body high-quality protein along with healthy fats and important nutrients that can support recovery, strength, and overall health. And when you're trying to rebuild or maintain muscle, protein is one of the most important nutrients because your body breaks protein down into amino acids, which are then used to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Salmon provides complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice after exercise or as part of a balanced meal. But what makes salmon especially interesting is that it also contains omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play important roles throughout the body and can help support a healthy inflammatory response, which is important because your body naturally experiences some inflammation and muscle stress after challenging exercise, and proper recovery gives your muscles the opportunity to adapt and become stronger. Salmon also provides nutrients such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and other minerals that support normal energy production, nervous system function, and overall health. And when your body is properly nourished, it becomes easier to maintain a consistent exercise routine and recover between workouts. You don't need to eat huge portions of salmon to benefit from it. A normal serving can provide a substantial amount of protein while also giving you beneficial fats, and you can combine salmon with foods like potatoes, brown rice, vegetables, beans, or a fresh salad to create a balanced meal containing protein, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The cooking method also matters, so baking, grilling, or air frying salmon can be a better choice than deep frying it. And you can add simple seasonings such as lemon, garlic, black pepper, or herbs for flavor without relying on heavy sauces. Remember that salmon is not a magic food that will build muscle by itself, because muscle development requires regular resistance training, enough protein throughout the day, adequate calories, proper hydration, and quality sleep. But when you consistently combine those habits, salmon can become an excellent part of your nutrition plan, giving your muscles high-quality protein and healthy fats that support recovery, and helping you build a stronger and healthier body over time. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the easiest foods you can add to your daily diet when your goal is to maintain rebuild, or strengthen your muscles because it provides high-quality protein in a simple and convenient form. And protein is essential for muscle recovery because your body needs amino acids to repair the muscle tissue that is stressed during exercise. Greek yogurt is especially useful because it contains both fast and slower digesting dairy proteins, including whey and casein, which can provide your body with amino acids over different periods of time. And this makes Greek yogurt a convenient choice for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or an evening meal, depending on your overall diet. One of the biggest advantages is that Greek yogurt can help you increase your daily protein intake. Without requiring complicated preparation, a serving can provide a significant amount of protein, especially when you choose a high-protein Greek yogurt. And you can easily combine it with other nutritious foods such as berries, bananas, oats, nuts, seeds, or a small amount of honey to create a balanced and satisfying meal. Greek yogurt also provides calcium, which plays an important role in normal muscle contraction and supports strong bones. And strong bones are important because they provide the foundation that allows your muscles to move and perform effectively. Some varieties also contain live cultures and probiotics that can support a healthy digestive system, which is important because good digestion helps your body absorb nutrients from the foods you eat. But you should pay attention to the label because some flavored yogurts can contain large amounts of added sugar. So plain or low added sugar Greek yogurt can often be a better choice, and you can add fresh fruit yourself for natural sweetness. Remember that Greek yogurt isn't a magic food that will build muscle on its own, because muscle growth requires resistance training, enough total protein, adequate calories, proper hydration, and sufficient sleep. But when you consistently include protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt in a balanced diet, you give your body the amino acids and nutrients it needs to support muscle repair, recovery, and maintenance, making Greek yogurt a simple, affordable, and convenient choice for anyone who wants to build a stronger body and support healthy muscle over time. Number 5. Eggs are one of the simplest and most affordable foods you can add to your diet when your goal is to rebuild, maintain, or strengthen your muscles, because they provide high-quality protein along with several important nutrients that support normal muscle function and recovery. And when you exercise, especially during resistance training, your muscles experience stress and need amino acids to repair and maintain themselves. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source that can help support this recovery process. One large egg provides around 6 grams of protein, so eating 2 eggs gives you roughly 12 grams. And you can easily combine them with other protein-rich foods to create an even more satisfying meal. Eggs also provide important nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, choline, riboflavin, and other vitamins and minerals that contribute to normal energy metabolism and overall health. And having enough energy is important because your body needs fuel not only for exercise, but also for daily activities and recovery. Another advantage of eggs is their versatility. You can boil them, scramble them, poach them, or cook them with vegetables to create a quick and nutritious meal. You can also pair eggs with whole grain toast, oats, potatoes, beans, or fruit depending on your nutritional needs. But remember that how you prepare your eggs matters. Adding large amounts of butter, processed meats, or excessive oil can increase the calories and saturated fat of the meal, so simple cooking methods can help keep your meal balanced. Eggs are also convenient for people who don't have much time to prepare food because they can be cooked quickly and stored for later meals. But don't make the mistake of thinking that eating eggs alone will automatically make your muscles bigger. Because muscle growth requires regular resistance training, enough total protein, adequate calories, carbohydrates for training energy, healthy fats, hydration, and quality sleep, the real benefit comes from consistently combining good nutrition with effective exercise and recovery. So whether you eat eggs for breakfast, lunch, or as a post-workout meal, they can be a practical and nutrient-rich way to increase your protein intake and give your body the building blocks it needs to support muscle repair, recovery, and strength over time.